In this video, I'll show you Microsoft Word editing text format, which is very important for making your office file. Okay, so let's start with Hawk Academy. Here I show you 7 options of text editing shortcut. Okay, first of all, I try to discuss about Ctrl X. It means cut. Cut means this file are replaced another place or this removed from this line. So here you see that I select this line and go to cut. Okay, go to cut. Cut means it's removed from here, and go to next page and I can paste here. Paste here means here you see that, and click here or Ctrl B. Okay, and this is paste here. Okay, you see that it's paste here. And now I try to show you how you copy your text. First of all, you have to select this and go to copy and go to next page. Okay, and Ctrl B. Here you see that this line available in both place. Okay, and here is original place, and this line also copy in next page. And now I try to show you Ctrl Z. Okay, Ctrl Z means undo and Ctrl Y means redo. Okay, undo means recover the previous option. Okay, and Ctrl Z. Here you see that it's red color and this line also available in here. Now I use Ctrl Z. What will happen? You can show. Okay, here you see that the red line are also back in previous option, and next also Ctrl Z. Here you see that this is also be again. Okay, and I also Ctrl Z. Okay, here you see that this line are also back. Okay, Ctrl Z means undo. And now I try to show you redo, how you use this redo. And redo means Ctrl Y. Okay, and Ctrl Y. Here you see that the Ctrl Z option are also replaced by Ctrl Y. Okay, it means that after recover your any text file, and you can also recover in same or previous option. And so click here Ctrl Y. You see that the Ctrl Z option are also replaced in Ctrl Y. Okay, hope that you understand very well the shortcut key option, and you should try this. Okay, and now I show you how you find your word. Okay, if you find any specific or special word from this line or text, and you can do it by Ctrl F. Okay, or you can go here. Here is find option. Okay, and go to find. Okay, find, and you can write here ability. Okay, and ability. You see that ability are shown in every line. Okay, and this is called find. Now I'll show you replace. Replace the shortcut word is Ctrl H. Okay, and you can also replace by here. Here you see that this is replace option. It means Ctrl H, and click here, go to and ability. Okay, and I can write here ability, and I can write here enable. Okay, enable, and I can replace all. Here you see that all ability are enable. Okay, this is find and replace option, which are very important for your shortcut. So hope that you understand well, and stay tuned with Hawk Academy.